So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَا تَقُولَنَّ لِشَيْءٍ إِنِّي فَاعِلٌ ذَلِكَ غَدًا إِلَّا إِنْ يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ. O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, that do not say I will do something or do not commit to something except you couple it with insha'Allah. That if Allah wills, I'll do this tomorrow if Allah wills. So that is why it is a must. When you make an intention of something or you want to do something, you made a promise of something, say insha'Allah. But sometimes we abuse it as well. You know, when they say there's three types of insha'Allah. What is insha'Allah? Insha'Allah, no. You don't want to do it, so you just say insha'Allah. And then there's insha'Allah, yes. And the other one is insha'Allah, maybe. So now you need to clarify with people, brother, you said insha'Allah, but is it insha'Allah no or insha'Allah yes? Will you do the work or won't you do the work? You go to the mechanic, you leave your car, inshallah it will be ready tomorrow. And 2 weeks go by. That inshallah keeps moving. So we shouldn't abuse it. وَلَا تَقُولَنَّ لِشَيْءٍ إِنِّي فَاعِلٌ.
You're not blocking anything.
Jazakallah. Jazakallah. So now I can shout you again. I'm not blocking anything. Alhamdulillah. وَلَا تَقُولَنَّ لِشَيْءٍ إِنِّي فَاعِلٌ ذَلِكَ غَدًا إِلَّا إِنْ يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ. Do not commit to saying that I will do something tomorrow, except you couple it with insha'Allah, and with the barakat of insha'Allah, your plan will be accomplished. You'll be able to fulfill your promise. It is mentioned of Yajuj, I'm diverting again. It's mentioned of Yajuj, Majuj, that every day they're trying to break this wall that is built for them. And we all know it's in Surah Al-Kahf as well, towards the end of it. Dhul Qarnayn had built the wall, the leader that traveled east and west of the world. And he came across a people where they complained to him that, this Yajuj, Majuj, every day they're coming, Gog and Magog. Every day they come into our villages, they're causing chaos, trouble. And he told them, help me, I will build a wall of lead. And this wall will be so strong that they will not be able to penetrate it. So it comes in hadith, every day they're trying to break this wall, but the next day when they come, Allah Ta'ala restores this wall again. Then they break it again. The third day it's restored again. A day will come before Qiyamah where one of them will say, Inshallah, tomorrow we'll break this wall. And through the barakat of that Inshallah, they'll be able to penetrate. They'll be able to break it. So even them, Allah Ta'ala will have them when they use the word Inshallah. But use it correctly.